Hello students, in this class we'll discuss how to find solution for a cubic equation. So before that we'll discuss what is the definition of a cubic equation. So let us begin this concept. Any equation which is in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, we call it as a cubic equation, or else highest power, if it is a 3, such type of a equation we call it as a cubic equation. So in our last class we have studied that quadratic equation. So quadratic equation leads to two solution. If any equation having two solutions, then it is called as a quadratic equation. Any equation having three solutions, it is called as a cubic equation. So this cubic equation leads to a three solution. So today in this class we'll discuss shortcut trick for solving any cubic equation. So let us begin with the first example. So very simple method it is, you have to remember. So very important for your any competitive examination here. Okay, so let us begin with this concept. The first example is x cube plus a 13x square plus a 32x plus 20 equal to 0. So first we have to find any one root. You have studied it in a 9th standard and 10th standard also it is there. If any one number is a root of a given equation, then we'll observe that LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so one root we have to calculate. So that is a very simple. You have to try for plus 1 minus 1 and plus 2 and minus 2, and sometimes we have to examine plus 3 and minus 3 also. Okay, so first we have to take any one value of a x here, that is a plus 1. We can start it here. So we have to substitute for example plus 1 in a given equation. So 1 cube 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. So if we get LHS equal to RHS or 0 equal to 0, then it is one of a root here. So we'll observe that. So all our terms are positive, therefore plus 1 is not a solution. Similarly plus 2 also not, plus 3 also not. So because all are positive, LHS equal to RHS, we won't get it. Then we'll try for a minus 1. Minus 1 cube is a minus 1, we are going to get it. Next x square, it is minus 1 square is plus 1 into 13 plus 13, we get it. So x is minus 1, so minus 32 we get it, and plus 20 it is. So if we simplify minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20, so we are going to get it as a 0 here. So 0 equal to 0, therefore it is one of a root here. So I am going to take here x equal to minus 1 is one of a root, therefore this is one root here. Now we have to find a root. So it is a very simple. So x cube coefficient is 1 I have written, x square coefficient is 13 I have written. If any one root is missing, so suppose x is missing, then we have to take it as a 0. Here x coefficient is present, it is a 32, then constant 20 it is. So further we observed that in this example minus 1 is one root. So I will take minus 1 over here. So simplification is very easy. 1 it is, same number I am taking 1 into minus 1 it is, we get a plus 13 minus 1 as 12. So 12 into minus 1, it is a minus 12. So plus 32 minus 12, 20 we get it. So 20 into minus 1 minus 20 here, so 0 we are going to get it. Then so usually we should get a 0, then only it is a correct. Now highest power was x cube in a given equation, you can look at here. Now we have to only decrease it, that is a x square. So x square coefficient is a first number, this one, plus 1. Then I'm going to write a 12. Next, decrease of power x. Then 20 we have 20 equal to 0 here. This we get it. Now cubic equation is converted into quadratic equation. Then see, last class we have studied solution of a quadratic equation using finding the factors here. So I will use it that. Now x square coefficient is 1. Factors of a 1 are 1 and 1 I am writing. So 1x into 1x. So 20, its factors are, I am going to use as a 2 tens are 20 here. So these are two factors. So how it is? So first will cross multiply in this way, 2 into x, 2x. Then 1x into 10, 10x. If we add it, we are going to get it as a middle number 12 here, 12x. So it is a right. Here we have introduced plus a sign. So I am using here plus a sign. So second row you will observe that plus 10 it is, I am using a plus. So we get a factor as first row x plus 2 it is, x plus 2, and second row x plus 10 equal to 0. Therefore it has a cubic equation leads to 3 solution. First solution is here. So x minus 1, take it to LHS. So it is x plus 1. Next it is x plus 2. Next it is x plus 10 equal to 0. We can write this solution. So x equal to minus 1, x equal to next factor minus 2, and x equal to, it is a minus 10. Therefore it is a cubic equation. It leads to a 3 solutions. Those are x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 10. So this is a very easy method. So using this we should find solution for a cubic equation. Once again I will explain this, just go through it. Next example you should try along with me. So very easy it is. So given equation is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 equal to 0. So further we have to take x equal to plus 1, minus 1 we have to observe it, 2, minus 2. Usually in this 4 we are going to get any one solution. Okay, so for that, no, look at here. So simple analogy, it is a simple thinking, all are positive. Therefore don't search in the positive value, don't ignore this plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, ignore this. Then try with a negative number, minus 1. So x equal to minus 1, minus 1 we get it. So minus 1 square plus 1 plus 13 we get it. X is minus 1 minus 32, and here 20. If I simplify LHS, it will become 0, RHS equal to 0 it will become. So x equal to minus 1 is a 1 root. Therefore this minus 1 I write it over here. Then x cube coefficient is 1, 1 I have written. X square coefficient 13, x coefficient 32, constant 20 here we have written. So 1 we have to take a same number. Now this whatever is there we have to multiply with this number. 1 into minus 1, minus 1 we get it. 13 minus 1 we get a 12. 12 into minus 1, 12 it is, minus 12. So we have to do a subtraction, 20 we get it. 20 into minus 1, minus 20 we are going to get it. So plus 20 minus 20, 0 we get it. Now it is highest power is 3, decrease on x square coefficient 1, decrease x we get it, x coefficient is 12, decrease constant. So that constant we have to take it as a 20 here equal to 0. And previous class we have studied quadratic equation simple trick. So like we have to write a factors of x square coefficient 1 and 1, and 20 factors are 2 and 20 here. So it is like 5 4s are 20 it will become, but addition or subtraction 12 we are not going to get it. So using like that So we have to write a factors. So I have taken 2 and 10 here. Cross multiply, it will satisfy middle number 12, we get it. So here it is a plus sign, so I use a plus sign. Here it is a plus, therefore one factor is x plus 2. Here I have written. Another factor is x plus 10. I have written here. So one more first factor is x plus 1. So I have written here. So it is a cubic equation. It leads to a 3 solution. So very easy. So like this we have to simplify. Okay, I'll move to a next example. So same method we have to use it. See, all the example same procedure is there. You can solve along with me. Okay, so I told you we are in the search of, so values plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2. Then if I take x equal to plus 1, I am going to get a 1, minus 7, plus 4, plus 12. So we are not going to get a 0 equal to 0. First one is a wrong answer. Then I search for a minus 1. So minus 1 cube is a minus 1. Next minus a 7. Then minus 4 plus 12. So we are going to get it 0 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0 for minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 is a one solution. That minus 1 I keep it outside. Then I list all, so x coefficients, x variable coefficient, x cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is minus 7, then 4, then 12. Then further one number is there, 1 I write it as it is, 1 into minus 1, so we get it as a minus 1. So minus 7 minus 1 minus 8, minus 8 into minus 1 plus 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 into minus 1 minus 12, plus 12 minus 12 0 we are going to get it. So now decrease one power, highest power was 3, decrease 1, so we are going to get it as a x square, then minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. So now I am writing, I am using earlier method, that is solution of a quadratic equation simple trick, and I am finding remaining 2 solutions. So factors of x square coefficients, 1 it is 1 and 1, 1x and 1x I write it. So factors of, of 12, so I can take a 2, 6, 12. So multiplying like this, in this way, so it is a 2x, then 6x, addition, yes, so addition we should get it as a this one, 8, so it is, yeah, minus, yes, minus and minus, addition we get it, means both are minus sign we have to take it. Okay, so here it is a minus, minus we take it, here it is a minus, minus, so here it is minus and minus, minus it is 8x, middle value we are going to get it. So one factor is x minus 2, another factor is x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore one solution x equal to minus 1. Second solution x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to plus 2 it is. Next x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to plus 6 here. So it is a cubic equation, it leads to a 3 solutions here. Very simple. This is a given equation. So taking x equal to plus 1, we are not going to get it as a 0 equal to 0. Then I have taken x equal to minus 1, we got 0 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 1 is one solution, x cube coefficient 1, then minus 7, 4, 12 I have written, minus 1 is outside, so 1 we have to take it down, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 7 minus 1 minus 8, minus 8 into 1 plus 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 into minus 1 minus 12, so plus 12 minus 12 0 it will become. Then decrease a one power, here it is a x cube, it will become x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. Then I am using the factorization method. Trick it is x square coefficient is 1, 1x into 1x I write it. So 12 factors are 2, 6 are 12. Okay, then so it is cross multiply 2x minus this is 2x, here it is 6x. If I add it, we are going to get it as a 8x. So here it is a minus, so both side we have to mention minus sign, we get a minus 8x. So here it is a minus, here also I take it as a minus, minus it is. So next factor is x minus 2, next factor is x minus 8, I have written over here. So here it is. So next write a solution. X equal to minus 1 first solution, x equal to plus 2, x equal to 6. So it is a cubic equation, so it is leads to a 3 solutions here. Like this we have to write it. So we'll move to a next example. The equation is x cube minus 5x square minus 2x plus 24 equal to 0. So different values we have to find out. X equal to plus 1 minus 1, then plus 2, then minus 2 here. If I take x equal to plus 1, we are not going to get it as 0 equal to 0, fails. Minus 1 also fails. So minus 2, if you substitute 0 equal to 0, we are going to get it. So you can verify. So x equal to, we get a minus 2 as one root. So minus 2 as it is. So x cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is minus 5, x coefficient is minus 2, constant is 24. So this one we have to write as it is. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. So both are minus, we have to add it, write a minus sign. Minus 7 into minus 2, plus 14 we get it, minus 2 plus 14. So we are going to get it as a 12. So 12 into minus 2, minus 24, we are going to get it as a 0. Then cubic equation it is. So decrease one, quadratic we get it. So x square, take a same coefficient as in this equation. Okay, so minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Then use a factorization method. So x square coefficient is 1. So 1 factor is 1 into x, 1 into x I take it. And 12 factor, okay, 3 4s are 12 it is. So further cross multiply in this way and in this way here. So 3 into x, 3x, 4 into x, 4x. So minus 7 it is, both I take a minus sign. So addition will be minus 7x. So we are going to get it. So verifies now. So here it is a minus, 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 minus I am taking. So factors are x minus 3, then x minus 4 equal to 0. One solution is this, x equal to minus 2. Next solution is x equal to 3 here from this factor, and last factor we get x equal to 4. So cubic equation so leads to a 3 solutions here. Okay, one more example we will solve it. So cubic equation it is. So we will take a values as a plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 here. Okay, then see plus 1 0 equal to 0 we won't get, minus 1 we won't get, 0 equal to 0. Yes, plus 2 we get a 0 equal to 0. Then x equal to 2 is 1 root. Okay, then further see coefficients are right, 2, 3, minus 11, minus 6. Then x equal to 2 is a 1 root, I write that as it is. Then 2, this 2 will be as it is, 2 to the 4. So 4 plus 3 7, 7 to the 14, minus 11 plus 14 is 3, 3 to the 6, plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Then it is a cubic equation, decrease 1 power, it will become a quadratic equation. So I hope you are solving the problem along with me only. So 2x square quadratic it will become. Next 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, then I told you using shortcut trick for a quadratic equation we have to simplify it. So here x square coefficient is 2, factors of a 2 are 1 2s are 2, I write x, then factors of a 3 are 1 and 3 here. Okay, cross multiply it. It is a 2x plus 3x, so addition we get a 5x, subtraction 1x fails this. Then see, invert it, so bigger number first, smaller number next, so 3 2s are 6x. Next 1x into x, addition we are going to get it as a 7x, satisfies. So both we have to do addition, plus no plus I write, next plus it is plus I write it. So one factor is x plus 3, another factor is 2x, sorry, x plus 3, right, it is another factor is 2x plus 1, it is equal to 0. Therefore first root is x equal to 2. Okay, then second solution factor x equal to minus 3, second solution, and third solution, so this factor, so x equal to plus 1 transporting minus 1 we get it, 2 and x multiplied transporting division we get it. Therefore we get a solution as x equal to 2 x equal to minus 3 and x equal to minus 1 by 2. So dear students, now I will give you few examples. So using this shortcut trick you have to find a solution for cubic equation. So everyone be ready with a pen, pencil and a paper. So within a 1 minute you have to find a solution for this cubic equation. Okay, let us begin that.